Holiday weekend. We've got a gorgeous afternoon, just a few clouds in the skies. We'll call it mostly sunny skies. The only issue really to talk about today will be the winds. Those winds picking up a little bit, so expect some breezy conditions. But I do want to talk about some news that happened this morning in regards to those tornadoes that happened this Sunday across the eastern plains. National Weather Service sent out some surveyors yesterday to categorize the tornadoes on an EF scale 1 through 6. So they go out, the inspectors go out there, they look at the damage. So basically they survey the damage left behind from those tornadoes, and then they rate them, they categorize them 1 through 6. So we do have confirmed tornadoes. One was in Elkhorn Ranch, that neighborhood. The other one was in Bennett. And the National Weather Service has confirmed that they are EF2 tornadoes. And again, that means wind speeds between about 111 and 135 miles per hour. And what they found when they went out and they surveyed the damage done by these tornadoes, they found that there was what they call considerable damage. So an EF2 tornado by definition produces considerable damage. So one step above an EF1, which causes moderate damage, and then one step below an EF3, which causes severe damage. So again, EF2 tornadoes having done considerable damage to those homes in both the Elkhorn Ranch and the Bennett neighborhood. So again, pretty lucky that no one was injured in those tornadoes. 67 degrees right now outside the 9 News studios. Winds not too bad, but again, we are expecting those winds to pick up. They are certainly a bit breezy, blowing stronger in certain areas along the I-25 corridor. Current temperatures in the 60s and 70s across the plains, 50s in the mountains. Mostly sunny. Your forecast for the metro area today, again, near average temperatures. Our normal high for this time of the year is 73 degrees. We're going to be right around 72, but those winds out of the west-northwest gusting up to 30 miles per hour. So again, some gusty, breezy, certainly breezy to windy conditions out across the plains this afternoon. We're going to get some stronger winds out across the northeast. Forecast highs in the 60s and 70s across the plains, 40s and 50s in the mountains. Live radar, again, we're getting a little bit moisture from the north and west, and that's bringing us some snow showers across the northern mountains. May see a spotty shower across the northeast plains. You can see the storm that brought us those tornadoes that we were talking about, those EF2 now confirmed tornadoes pushing off into the Midwest, and we're just getting a little bit of a northwesterly backflow. Futurecast again showing possibly again continued. I'm going to take this back a little bit. It's going a little bit too fast, so I'm going to just walk this through. Again, we can see those scattered showers across the northern mountains this afternoon, and possibly a quick shower out across the northern plains, but again, most of that activity up there in the high country. This is about 5:30 tomorrow morning. May see some spotty showers across Sterling, I-76 in the northeast corner of the state, and then a little bit of a break, and then by tomorrow evening, this is right around noon tomorrow into tomorrow afternoon, we could see some stronger storms, possibly an isolated thunderstorm up in the northeast corner of the state, but the I-25 corridor looking quiet throughout the day tomorrow here in the metro area. Just a lot of sunshine, and again, those winds starting to pick up tomorrow afternoon as well. Futurecast again tracking those showers in and around the metro area. Not too much, just along Highway 34, again in the high country this afternoon. Possibly a quick shower along I-70 up in the mountains tonight, and that's about it. Again, those showers sticking to the northern mountains. We're seeing dry here in the metro area. So after a cool start to today, we are going to be warming up with highs reaching the low 70s, and then really warming up as we head into Thursday and Friday with highs in the 80s. As for your weekend, will it be stormy? That is looking like there's a decent chance for some showers, at least Sunday into Monday, or some thunderstorms possibly on Saturday afternoon as well. As for your forecast for this afternoon, again, we are looking just about a little bit, again, breezy. That's about it. That's all I can say. We're looking like, again, showers up there in the foothills or the higher elevations of the northern mountains and the foothills, possibly a couple sliding down across the northern plains. That's about it. Those winds, though, picking up 24 miles per hour to 25 miles per hour here in the metro area this afternoon. We're looking at the 35 plus mile per hour winds in the foothills. Out in Fort Morgan also, we're talking 25 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts this afternoon. So expect some breezy conditions as those really isolated showers and storms move through. And then a little bit of a calm down tonight, and those winds once again pick up tomorrow afternoon. Here's a look at your weather pattern. We do have a ridge of high pressure that's building in, not much of an amplified ridge, but enough to bring us some sunshine and quiet conditions Thursday into Friday, actually Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday. Then we have that storm system dropping down from the north and west, and that is going to stir things up, bringing us some unsettled weather as we head into the weekend. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, again today and tomorrow, temperatures in the low to mid 70s. We got some breezy afternoon conditions. 80 degrees on Thursday. We are warm. 84 on Friday. We have about a 20% chance we'll see an isolated shower or storm. Those chances increase to about 30% on Saturday afternoon. Temperatures cool off a bit, but still in the upper 70s. We're expecting a good chance for some stormy conditions on Sunday and into Monday, with highs in the mid 70s. So a quick recap of your Memorial Day weekend. Saturday, a chance we'll see an afternoon storm, 79 degrees, better chance on Sunday, and even better chance on Monday as highs drop down into the mid 70s. So as for rain chances here in the metro area, 0% today, tomorrow, and Thursday. The chances increase to 20% on Friday, 30% on Saturday, and 50% on Sunday. That is a quick look at your weather on this Tuesday afternoon. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. Stay tuned to 9 News Plus and the 9 News family of networks. We will continue to update you on the forecast. Again, not too much happening today or tomorrow other than the winds, but again, things could change as we head toward the weekend, and we want you to make sure you have your weekend forecast right, and you make your weekend forecast, or your weekend plans rather, relative to the weather, and make sure that you can handle any of the storms that might be coming in, and you're prepared for the storms that might be coming in if you're out and about on this holiday weekend. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.